Ready to elevate your dessert game? Look no further than the luxurious Italian Diplomat cream, a velvety blend of pastry cream and whipped cream that's perfect for filling cakes, pastries, tarts and more. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the pastry cream. Heat the milk in a saucepan. In a separate saucepan, add egg yolks, sugar, sifted flour, and sifted cornstarch. Whisk well with a soft whisk to blend all the ingredients. As soon as the milk reaches a simmer, pour it into the egg mixture a little at a time, continuing to whisk. Put the mixture on the stove and cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens. At this point, turn off the heat, add a pinch of salt and vanilla extract, and mix well. The pastry cream is ready. Pour the pastry cream into a bowl, stir for a few more minutes to cool down a little, and cover with plastic wrap. This will prevent a hard film from forming on the surface of the cream. Allow to cool completely. Once the pastry cream has cooled, mix with a spatula until it regains a thick consistency, and you are ready to make the Diplomat cream. Add whipping cream and icing sugar to a large bowl and whip until stiff peaks form. Gently fold into the whipped cream in 3 to 4 times, and your homemade Diplomat cream is now complete and ready to use in your favorite Italian desserts.